In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an image to a PDF file using Google Drive. This process is simple, efficient, and utilizes tools right within Google Drive, making it accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. So, let's delve into the steps and get it done smoothly. Firstly, begin by opening up your web browser and navigating to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account to access all of its functionalities. Once you're in Google Drive, locate and select the image file you wish to convert to a PDF. You can do this by browsing through your stored files or using the search bar at the top, which is a handy tool if you have numerous files. If you haven't uploaded the image to Google Drive yet, you can easily do so by clicking on the New button on the left-hand side, selecting File Upload, and choosing the image you want from your computer. Once you have your image file ready in Google Drive, the next step is to open it with Google Docs. This might seem a bit unusual, but opening the image with Google Docs is integral to the conversion process. Do this by right-clicking on the image file, selecting Open With, and then choosing Google Docs from the drop-down menu. Google Docs will take a moment to process the file, and you'll notice that your image appears in a new Google Doc document. This conversion through Google Docs is an essential intermediary step as it opens the door to saving your file as a PDF. With your image now in Google Docs, you're ready to move on to the final step. Go to the File menu in the top left corner of the screen, navigate down to Download, and from the Extended menu, click on PDF Document. Your file will then be downloaded to your device in a PDF format, preserving the quality and integrity of the original image. Remember, this method ensures that the conversion takes place smoothly without needing third-party applications or complex software installations. This is particularly useful if you frequently work on collaborative projects, since Google Drive's sharing capabilities make it easy to distribute your new PDF to others. In summary, when you need to convert an image to a PDF using Google Drive, just follow these simple steps. Access your Google Drive, locate or upload your image, open it with Google Docs, and download it as a PDF. This straightforward technique is efficient and user-friendly, making it an ideal solution for both novices and tech-savvy individuals alike. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out more of our tutorials for other insightful and practical tech tips.